I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and I wanted to provide an update on my experiment with doing unsupervised free ranging with my backyard chickens. It's gone really well. I've been doing this for several days now. You can see if I start to talk, the chickens will come over and find me. But see, these are some very happy chickens hanging out, free ranging in the backyard. None of them have tried to fly out of the yard. All of them seem to just kind of hang around and scratch in the dirt and eat little plants and things. And they're actually, I think, friendlier and more willing to come up to me when they see me now that they're outside and kind of happy and get to dust bathe and eat plants and bugs and things. So far so good. I tend to put 2 out at a time just to make it a little more manageable if I need to track them down. And the funniest thing about it is that they've chosen this little corner to lay eggs in underneath my office window. So it's very easy to go and collect those, and it's nice that they chose a spot that's fairly easy for me to get to. So yeah, I think unsupervised free ranging, I've been very happy with how that's gone, and it seems to be very successful. And then when I approach, you can see they often just head back into the coop on their own. I think they think I'm going to give them snacks. So definitely working well here.